The first of a few periods that we're looking at in Greek history and art history is going to be the geometric and Orientalizing. And this is very, very early. We will also look at the archaic, the classical, and the Hellenistic and break up the classical a little bit. But this is the first time, other than the Egyptians, that we've had specific periods. So you will want to keep track of them to some degree. Now, in terms of what Greece looks like, and this is as we enter into the classical and the archaic, but it looks more or less like this. Really, the areas in red would be Greek areas. You'll notice they're all coastal because, of course, they're a major trading partner or power at the time. In the 8th century, there's a reintroduction of the human form to art. We see it in bronze figurines and pottery. We're not going to deal with a lot of pottery in this class. And that's in the geometric. Then we get into the Orientalizing. And trade and commerce is growing at this point. We also see Easterners coming to Greece as early as the 9th century. They're trading with the Persians. Okay, they're going to start by trading with the Persians, and then they're going to have other issues with the Persians later. This period is marked, this late period, the Orientalizing period, is marked by a heavy influence by the Egyptians and by the ancient Near East. And there's a reason for this, which is that at the end of the day, you don't just develop artistic culture out of nowhere. What you do is you go, hey, we're going to borrow from these other powers, the Egyptians, the ancient Near East, to start to develop, to kickstart basically our visual culture. And then it also gives you some street cred, as it were, so you can connect yourself, as we will see, to these older societies.